Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike Oski's Kitchen. My name is Michael Olszewski and I am the chef of this kitchen. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, thanks for checking back in. This is part 2 of Oh the Leftovers, Oh the Leftovers. Just had Thanksgiving. The prior video you just watched was me using leftover mashed potatoes and making an awesome potato pancake recipe. I hope you tried it. Oh gosh, I hope you try. If you haven't, you got to do it, okay? So here's part 2. That was part 1. This was part 2. I figure, hey, a ton of us have a ton of turkey left, right? A ton of turkey. So what we're going to do today is the leftover turkey from Thanksgiving. Look, you can do whatever you want with turkey. You can eat turkey on a piece of bread with some mayo or mustard, whatever you want to do. You know, how much cold turkey do you want to eat? How much turkey do you want with reheated gravy do you want to eat? Let's get creative. Let's have something fun. This is going to be a turkey creation. You're going to love it. I'm telling you what. This is called turkey bacon ranch. Turkey bacon ranch salad, okay? Show what we're going to do with it. But it's simple to make. There's no chopping, there's no cutting, a little bit of shredding with the turkey, but that's it. So here's what's going to go in this. We're going to use some seasoned salt. We're going to use some garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, a little bit of dill. Of course, black pepper's got to go in everything that I make. We have some real mayonnaise. We have some ranch dressing and some cheddar cheese. So this thing is going to be a turkey bacon ranch salad. And we're going to be able to put it on bread or put it on a tortilla, or we can put it on a toast. The options are endless. Trust me, this is going to be so good. Now what I do with the turkey here, of course I have it sliced from Thanksgiving. I still have some nice slices. I'm going to go ahead and pull those out, put it on a cutting board, and just shred it apart. I want some shreds. If you want to cut it, that's fine. I like it shredded. It seems to stick better together. And of course, here's my bacon. 4 pieces of bacon. That's what I'm going to use. I've already preheated my oven at 400 degrees. We're going to put this bacon in for about 15 minutes, get it nice and crispy. Chop all this up, and then we're going to throw it all together. Everything here is going to go in one dish, and we're going to mix it all up, and I'm going to show you what to do with it. Right now, I'm going to put my bacon in, again, for about 15 minutes. I'm going to shred my turkey, and I'll see you right back here because we'll put this together, and we'll make it immediately. This is so easy, guys. I'll see you back here. All right, hey, guys, welcome back. This is showtime, the easiest part. All the hard part's done, measuring things out, but the easy part is right now. Look, I put about 2 cups, a little bit more than 2 cups of shredded. I shredded the turkey, so it's nice and shredded, as you can see. Nice little shredded pieces. Very simple to do. You just take a couple forks and pull it apart, or I've even seen people put it in a mixer, put the beater spoon on it and shred it that way. But it took me 5 minutes, no big deal. Now at this point, my bacon's done too. The 4 pieces, 15 minutes at 400. Just chopped it up, it's ready to go. Let's start mixing. First thing we want to do, we're going to go ahead and put our mayo in. I want to go ahead and put the mayo in. And I'm going to move the mayo out of the way so I know I've already used it, okay? Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my ranch dressing. Now, since I get those 2 guys in there, this is where I want to stop, because at this point, I want to mix and get it all, the mayo and the ranch, all mixed into the turkey. Because we're going to need some moisture in there and some hydration, because we got some spices we're going to drop in that we want to attach to it so we can all mix it together. So that's good enough. Let's just go ahead down the line here. I'm going to go ahead down the line and make it easy. Paprika's next. Move him up forward. My pepper. All these measurements are on there for you. This is my garlic powder. Now I'm at 3 in there. I'm going to mix that up. Again, I don't want to put too many in. It takes extra mixing, but let's just get all those first 3 in there. We got a few more to go. You can see how this thing's coming together really nicely. All right, moving on. Now we got some dill. Put the dill in there, boom. Dill just makes a nice taste to anything, doesn't it? We got our onion powder, boom. And finally, our seasoned salt. Let me get all these folks out of the way here. We got one more big mix to do after this. You can see it sitting right here. These are some of the, I call them the beefy items. Get a nice little mix, keep folding it over. This thing shouldn't be too, this thing should be nice and almost dry-like, because now we're soaking up, excuse me, all of the moisture with the mayo and the ranch dressing. Now, we have our cheese, we have our spinach, and we have our bacon. What do you want to go with first? Oh, why not bacon? Good call. We'll drop our bacon in there. Then we're going to drop in our spinach. Now, I didn't say spinach in the first part of the video. I'm using about a half cup of spinach chopped up. Make it a little more healthy, right? Anyway, and then we're going to go ahead and drop about a half cup of cheese in there. Cheddar cheese. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and continue to mix this, get it all integrated into one nice little salad. And then when we come back, I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve this and how I'm going to make it. You can make it any way. We'll go through that here in a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and keep mixing. I'll see you back here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve it. Okay, I'm going to get it mixing. We'll see you then. Welcome back. We are ready to cook this thing and get it together. A nice mix on our turkey, oh Lord, turkey bacon ranch salad. Now, like I said, there's many ways you can cook this thing and serve it. I'm going to use a tortilla. I'm going to fill the tortilla, and I'm going to just cook the tortilla, brown it, crisp it on either side. Make a nice little cut in that. Oh, it's so good. You can put it on toast. You can put it on bread. Whatever you want to do, totally up to you. I like the tortilla idea because these tortillas are really nice. They're good size, and they make a nice meal. Now, a little bonus. I made a nice spicy mayo. You know how easy it is? This right here. We put a half cup of mayo in there, quarter cup of sriracha, boom, mix it up, you're done. So what I like to do is just take a little bit of that and put it on the tortilla. Just a small little line of it, just enough to cover it. I don't want it dripping off the sides. Just this really small layer. Let it soak in a little bit into the tortilla. Okay? I'll show you what else we're going to do with this mayo when we finally get to test this thing. Now, for the chicken. Or chicken. You know what? You can use chicken on this too. This is chicken too. So I'm going to take about a spoonful, by the way, that makes about 4 different. And I'm going to use my hands. They've been washed. And I'm going to make a nice little line of this. Nice, stack it up really nice. We want it all to stay together. Okay? So that's what you want to look at. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay? If you know how to roll a tortilla, this is how I do it. I'm going to go ahead and take the sides together. Keep rolling it. Keep tucking the sides. The other side. Keep it all together. And boom! Tortilla. Now, next step we're going to do, we're going to take this puppy over to the hot spot. Heat up a little bit of a small pan or a griddle, and we're just going to go ahead and crisp both sides of these. That's going to do a couple things. It's going to make it taste good, number one. Number two, it's going to warm it up inside and melt a little bit of that cheese that we put in there, okay? So right now, I'm going to head over to the hot spot. I'll see you over there. Just show you how quick it is to make this. We're ready to eat this. It's going to take like 5 minutes over there. That's it. I'll see you over there. All right, guys, we're back here. So what I've done is just put it on the pan, and it's going to heat it up a little bit, and that's about what we want to see. So I just flipped it over, couple 3 minutes, that's all I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna keep it on this side and get the same kind of look on the other side. And right then, and when that's done, guess what? We are ready to eat this wonderful creation from our leftovers. I'll see you back here, but not here, over at the workstation, because we're gonna try this thing. Hey everybody, here we're back. Got my turkey bacon ranch salad on a tortilla. I've been waiting to try this. Let me take a sip. Now I'm going to go ahead, even though I put some of the spicy mayo on the tortilla on the inside, I still like to have a little dipping sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and dip it into the spicy mayo, and I'm going to give it a shot. Man, it's good, spicy with the sauce, but it's also got taste of bacon and the ranch, and you can even taste the dill. Oh, that is so good. One more bite. I swear I will not take any more in front of you. Oh man, you gotta make this. It's very creative. It's very crazy. It's something different. Do something with your turkey, guys. Don't just continuously heat it up and put it on white bread, or make this, Put it on toast, put it on bread, put it on a tortilla, put it on the oven or the stove for a little bit, brown it. You're gonna love it. It's fantastic. It's a meal. This is how you cook. This is what you do. You take what you got and you make the best of it, okay? So make this for your family. It's simple, simple, simple. 15, 20 minutes. That's all you got to invest in it. You can put this down and people will love it. I'm going to continue to eat this and continue to sip my beer. But for now, thank you for being here. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe if you haven't yet. We've got more coming the rest of the year, once a week. I know this weekend was 2, but we're going to do 1 a week. And I look forward to a lot of fun stuff coming up. I got some surprises for you. Thanks for being here. God bless you. And you know what? My own special Polish way. Na zdrowie.
Moja miła najmilsza, proszę otwórz mi. A jak ja młodym chłopcem byłem, dobrze w szkole się uczyłem.